Okay, so today we want to talk on covalent bonding and the reason why covalent bonding is very important. And covalent bonding is actually a type of bonding whereby there is no complete transfer of electron from one atom to another. They just share the electron. Both atoms involved in a bonding, they share electrons so that all of them become stable. So I'll just take a simple example so that we know how this type of bonding are formed. The first thing let's talk about chlorine molecule. Chlorine molecule is means that two chlorine coming together. Okay, so you have to know the atomic structure of chlorine. So chlorine is written as this one. This is the atomic structure. Chlorine is 17, like this. So 10 here, and then another one here. 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 1, 2, and then 1 is here. Please, for us to make this one very easy, let's try and then make the other chlorine. Let's change the arrangement of electrons to different so that we can see the differences. In covalent bonding, there is sharing. So what happens is that, let's take that this is chlorine 1, and then another chlorine is chlorine 2. So its electronic configuration, let me use this to mean it. So we have this one. Okay. And then the last one here, which is like this one, and then this, and then this. What happens is that there's a sharing of electron. Then this one electron coming here, and this electron also come here. They share the electrons. So chlorine 1 will give one electron here, and then this chlorine 2 give electron here, like a kind of sharing, so that all of them become stable. So now what happens is that after the sharing, they come together, and then their structure become like this. To here, then this one, and then the next chlorine also, let me try and join it here. We need this one, the outer shell, and then the other shell is here, and then the first shell also here. So this one, I use this one to stand for the electrons. These are the electrons, and these are the electrons. We have another electron here, another electron also here, another electron here, and then the other electron will come to this place, which means that they are sharing these two electrons. So now the electronic configuration of this chlorine now becomes 2, 8, 8. Because when I count in the outermost shell, we counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then this one too becomes chlorine, which is equal to 2, 8, 8. When you are counting their electron, become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then it's complete. This is how the covalent bonding is formed. Let's take another one and try to see how that also formed. Let's see HCl, or hydrochloric acid. So with this, hydrogen and chlorine coming together, and you know that hydrogen is having only one electron, and this doesn't make it stable. so hydrogen is not stable, plus another atom, chlorine, and then chlorine. Okay, let me just change this one so that you see it very well during the bonding. Okay, and then okay, so I've written the thing too. So with this is how the thing looks like, and then this is hydrogen. So the hydrogen atom is just having one electron, and then this is our chlorine atom, and then it's like this. So when this hydrogen and chlorine, they are in a bonding, what they do is that they share their electron, sharing of electron. It's like share this electron with this one, and then the chlorine also share its electron with the hydrogen. So after the sharing, the atoms now becomes this. Have your our hydrogen here, and then our chlorine atom also here. Okay. So let's arrange the electrons very nicely here. Then this, then this. So left with one electron of the chlorine, we bring it here, and then the one electron of the hydrogen is also here. So now the electronic configuration of this hydrogen each now becomes 2 because it shares an electron with the chlorine. So when accounting for hydrogen, you say 1, 2. These are the outermost electron for the hydrogen, and chlorine also becomes, chlorine now becomes 2, 8, and then 8 because the outermost shell becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But there's some form of sharing of electrons here. So basically, this is how covalent bonding and ionic bonding are formed. Thank you.